Can we just make an appointment, please?
You can certainly do that.
Yes.
I don't know what the law is for not being able to record.
I do not give you permission.
I have business
to
here.
Post me on your webpage.
Don't need it.
Around. Yo, get off me.
Do you have a license to film? Are you a journalist?
I need a license?
You have no.
You're
you have
unfamiliar.
no press.
Credentials? Is that what you want to say? Credentials?
Yeah,
That's what you're looking for? Who gives out credentials?
The press.
The press?
They have to, by law.
Stop walking. No, don't restrict me. Am I being detained or something? For what?
Trespassing.
Trespass? Hold on. I'm trying to serve them my notice of intent to sue. Are you serious? James, running back.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is News Now Ninja, and today's video comes to you from Schenectady, New York, where Long Island and Erie County have both recently had their rights violated. But the tyranny stems back way before then, and thanks to NY State Audit, he's been there to document it all. And in this video, I don't just want to cover the way that the tyranny has grown over time due to lack of accountability, but I also want to cover who I believe to be the main fire starter of this unconstitutional mayor's order. And the Karen tyrant that I'm speaking of just so happens to be the police chief's wife, Jennifer Clifford, who at the time of this recording was the mayor's assistant. Let me know what you think about these tyrants in the comments section along with their unconstitutional mayor's order. Smash that like button if you haven't already, and let's get straight to the action.
We're going to stop at the mayor's office and make an appointment because they're not making an appointment for me. They won't set up an appointment. They're not returning my calls. So here's the mayor.
All right, I am going back to my office. I am going to go to lunchtime.
Hello.
I'm gonna go to lunch. If you need me, just call me. All right, have a great day. I'll see you later. I'll check in.
Okay.
Hello. Ms. Jennifer, I believe, if I remember correctly. I'm just here to make an appointment with the mayor. I've called you guys quite a few times. You guys never call back to make an appointment. I'll wait for you to get off your phone. You off your phone yet, or?
Yeah.
Oh, I know, because you weren't looking at me. I wasn't sure if you were paying attention.
Down at my desk.
Well, no, you were just holding your phone. I just saw you with your phone in your hand. But
You have your phone in your hand, right?
Well, you're at work and you're violating your policy, so.
No, I'm not. No,
I'm pretty
that's
sure
part of
you
my
are.
policy.
To be on your phone while I work?
Why are you so argumentative?
I'm not argumentative. I'm just trying to find
I
out.
just don't understand.
You want to accuse me of being
No,
argumentative.
no.
Can we just make an appointment, please?
You can certainly do that.
Yes.
I can
Oh, you
take
mean
your
finally?
information.
So finally I can make an appointment?
I can take your information.
Finally. Okay.
I always take your information.
But you don't make the appointment.
If you have no business here,
What?
and you're going to argue
I just
with
told
me,
you that I
give me
had.
a hard time, you can leave.
I know I will not, because I have
And I do
business
not
here.
give you permission
I have business
to
here.
post me on your webpage.
Don't need it.
Alright, allow me to introduce to you Jennifer Clifford, who's the police chief's wife and, at the time of this recording, the mayor's assistant. And you would think with titles like that she would have the basic understanding of civil rights and her position as a public servant. But the facts are quite the opposite, and she's about to display her ignorance openly. And from there, things just go downhill.
Don't need it. Sorry.
I am not authorizing you.
Okay.
You make me uncomfortable.
I make you
And I
uncomfortable.
would appreciate it if you left.
Okay, so.
Because you have no business here.
So here's what.
What is your business?
I told you, and then you told me I don't have business here after I told you what I'm here for. I got time. You got time because you're on your phone messing around. So can
Is
you?
that what I'm doing?
That's
Are
what you were
accusing
doing.
me of something?
I'm accusing you of being on the phone. Yes.
Really?
Yes. You were on your phone.
Really?
Yes. So, please check the calendar.
What I do, what my job is,
Yep.
and my job description is irrelevant of what you're doing
Oh,
here.
okay.
You have no idea what I do and why I use my phone. And that upsets me, offends me.
Okay. And you're the face that the people, the citizens come in and have to see and deal with.
Wow.
And just the treatment that we get.
No, this is not the treatment. you get.
Just for me. Just for me. You know what
Because
that's
you
called,
are
right?
Okay. That's discrimination.
Harassing me.
Oh, not really. Do you
Yes,
know
you are.
By asking you for an appointment?
No,
Ah,
no.
come on
You're
now.
doing more than that.
Come on now. Let's not.
You're
let's
doing
not.
more than
let's
that.
not make stuff up.
Yeah,
Miss
I don't
Jennifer.
need to. You're doing
Let's
it
not.
right now with your phone.
Not really.
You're doing
I
it right
came
now
in.
with your phone.
I came in because I have a right to. Remember.
I told you
Yep,
that I would take your information
Please lower your voice.
and your phone number
Please lower your voice.
and we would have someone get back to you about making
And you
an
guys
appointment.
keep doing that.
Whether
I'm not
that
gonna.
can- I don't know what else to tell you. That's how it works. Do you have a license to film?
Oh,
Are you a
need-
journalist?
I need a license.
You need to have a license if you're going to
Oh.
publicize this.
Oh, you need to have a license.
You have no,
You're
you have no
unfamiliar.
press
Credentials? Is that what you want to say?
documentation?
Credentials?
Yeah,
That's what
yeah.
you're looking for? Who gives out credentials?
The press.
The press?
They have to. By law. By law.
By
You
law?
have to.
Okay, you
Yes.
mean like
Do you
Fox
have
News?
that?
You mean like Fox News?
you have that?
You mean like Fox News, CNN?
Journalists.
Is that what you're talking about?
Every journalist
Oh.
has to provide documentation.
No, that's not true.
That is
Ill-informed.
actually by law the truth.
By law? Sounds very interesting.
It
Can
is
you do me a
interesting,
favor?
and it's a fact.
It's not a fact.
It
Can you
is
do me a
fact.
favor?
That is a fact.
And stop.
This man is now telling me that he does not have to provide any information or legal documentation that he is associated with the press.
You know you have a right to freedom of the press as well, right? When you're not working?
No,
Right?
no,
you
not
do.
to do what you're doing.
Everybody has a
Not
right
to
to
do what
freedom
you're
of the
doing.
press. What am I doing? Trying to conduct business?
No, you're not.
And you're keeping me
What's
from
your
that?
business? You came
I'm
in here,
trying
you
to make an
asked for
appointment. See, you
and
actually
I
don't
took
even know
your
that I can't. I
information.
stopped at other locations before
Yep.
coming here to conduct business.
Yep.
Okay. And I'm
everybody's fully
forced.
aware of what you've
I'm
done.
forced. Yeah, I know everybody's fully aware because you guys put on a show. That's what it is.
Is that what it
Yeah,
is?
that's what you guys did. You guys put on a show, especially you. You're going to be the highlight
Yep.
of this, and not in a positive way.
Yep.
Okay.
I am telling you for the.
And I'm
number
gonna
time?
publish this. I'm
What
gonna
number
publish
time?
this just so you know.
You will publish all of them.
Yeah, I know exactly.
Yep.
So you can tell me you don't want it.
I
all
do
you
not
want.
give you permission
Don't
to
need it.
post me
Don't
in,
need it.
in this position.
Don't need
Absolutely
it.
not.
Don't need it. But if you're willing
right.
to take this
Well,
appointment, I'm willing to leave.
That's fine.
Because I'm ready to leave. But
I'm
I
leaving
just
for the day.
Oh.
I'm leaving to go do something in another building.
Okay.
Therefore, you need to come with me and
awesome,
leave.
of course. Because there's nobody else here. Why would I stay? Right?
That has nothing to do with anything.
No, it does because you're locking the door. I'm not gonna stay.
1 week later.
Again? Good citizen.
Listen,
You guys know who I am.
Oh, take your stuff. You're not allowed in the building at this time.
Why not?
There's an investigation up on you with the DA's office.
About?
That I don't know.
Well, I'm here to serve a notice of intent to sue, so I have a right to be here. So can you call Andrew?
No,
we don't want to talk to you.
Yeah, I'm not
Dan,
talking
listen.
to you.
They told us to tell you if you have any questions to call or go to the DA's office, and they'll explain everything to you.
That's fine. I'm going to do that. But can you just give Andrew Colden
No, we can't,
and let him know I'm
Dan.
here?
We can't.
Because I have a right to serve you guys.
I understand all that, but it's suspended for right now pending the investigation.
I don't. You know that a judge hasn't given me any notice saying that I can't come in here.
We're giving you notice now. Yeah, you don't leave the building. We're going to call police department and lock them up.
Don't threaten me, please. I'm waiting for somebody. Look, calm down. I'm waiting for Miss McCutcheon to come down. I just spoke to her over the phone. So calm down. I'm not sure yet, but I want to say it has to do with her trying to... I don't have nothing to say to you, man. I don't know what you're here for. I didn't call you. I have legal business. You go talk to them then, and you better not let them make a false report this time. All right?
He got an order not to be in the building at all.
Is it at all or just for?
At all.
Okay. I thought
And
he.
if they said if he does not leave,
Yeah.
call the police.
Okay. What did he say his functions is supposed to be? Because I thought he can be here as long as it's legitimate
No,
business.
because he had,
Do you know where the order is?
he had an encounter with Chief Seaver's, or not Seaver, Clifford's wife
Yeah.
upstairs.
Yep.
All right. So they got an order that the mayor does not want him in the building.
Okay.
Supposed to go talk to the DA. There's an investigation on him.
Okay. All right. Let me look at see what this order says.
See what this order.
Oh, so you're leaving, right?
A copy of the order of protection.
Dude, I don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm right here discussing with Miss McCutcheon, who's being awesome to me.
Yeah, I'm not saying that.
Okay? I don't even know about no order of protection or nothing, man. Okay? So go do your job, but I'm not going to help you with the investigation. So,
Okay.
Is this done here?
So I'm taking care of it right now.
You gotta go.
Okay, here we go. Daniel, here's your stamped copy of that one,
Okay.
this one, and this one.
Awesome.
And you have my card.
Thank you. Yes, I do.
I need your assistance.
Oh, okay.
The call wasn't for me. I'm talking to him on a different separate issue.
Oh, okay.
You're really intimidating, so I was just asking you to do yourself.
Fair enough. You're welcome. 2029.
2029. But I'm gonna report. I was here as a witness to the situation. Thank you. So I'm gonna report
You're welcome.
this body. Well, one moment.
This guy. Do you know what it is?
Yes.
Is he allowed to come in here on official business?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because they're
I have
saying that
paperwork.
he's not, so I don't know.
Am I intruding an investigation?
I
'Cause I'll
thought.
wait.
I don't.
I thought-
Give us 1 second, ma'am.
I thought his
I don't-
order is as long as he's here on a legitimate business, he can come in here.
Correct. That is correct.
Right.
That is
That's
correct.
what I thought.
That's against the law.
Yep. What does he have to do
He,
here? Hello.
I don't know what he already did his business with someone up in court, but these detail, they don't know. They think he comes in here. He can come in.
He can come in. He can come in. He can come in.
As long
Yep.
as he has to do official business, he can come in.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. That's a separate issue, but.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Good. How are you? Hey, how you doing? I know Ricky just talked to you guys. I'm sure. Did Ricky talk to you?
He came in to get a problem with somebody. So, Wimple, I guess the assistant chief in charge, you guys now, told us there's an ongoing investigation with Corporation Counsel and the DEA's office into him. So until that's resolved, he's no longer allowed in the building. So that's why we brought him in here. This is the first time he's been notified. I don't think we'll have a problem with him again after that. The girl, she just wanted to stick her nose in.
Yeah.
I don't know what her business was. You got an idea about her or what? Yeah, so we were told and through emails that if he has any questions, to call the DA's office, they'll explain everything to him about it. And I told him that.
Okay.
You know, and then some lady came down from the office and started catering to him. I'm trying to get him out of here.
I know. All right. Well, because I know that he has, City Hall has an order against him.
More protection?
Yes.
Refrain from her?
He can only come into this building if he is here for official business.
Okay, they told us he was not allowed in the building, period. So I'm keen to straighten it out with.
Yeah. If it's because of the ongoing investigation, then I get that. But outside of that ongoing investigation, he is allowed to be in here.
Okay.
He is.
All right.
So I don't want to. I'm not going to go against whatever Chief Whipple said. Whatever the emails you have, I guess I'll advise him that if he has
That's
any.
what they told us, so I'll go by what you said. I mean,
well,
you know better than me.
For now, if that's what you were told by Chief Whipple, then I'm going to go by that. So I'll tell him that if he has any questions, he can contact the DA's office. Okay. Daniel, so there's a little curveball now that needs to be figured out between you, the DA's office.
I don't know what the curveball is. Can you explain?
Yeah, so apparently there's some type of ongoing investigation with Corporation Counsel, the DA's office, and yourself.
About?
I don't know.
About? I don't know.
He had an encounter with Chief Seaver's, or not Seaver, Clifford's wife.
Yeah.
Clifford's wife.
Okay.
I do not know, and neither did the security guys.
So come on now, how could they enforce something when they know nothing about it? Think about it. And you know what I did? I tried to de-escalate the situation and told them, like, look, before I go, can you please call Andrew Colden from Corporation Counsel or Miss McCutcheon? You know what I mean? They weren't trying to do that. I had to come out here and make the call myself.
I'm going to try and figure out some of it for you.
I hope so.
From what these gentlemen told me in here, they were directed to have you call the DA's office to see what the stipulations are.
But I don't care. I told them, look, even though I'm telling you I don't care, I listened to them. I heard everything they said. I said, okay, no problem. I'll do that. And then I told them, or asked them nicely, can you please just let them know I'm here because I need to serve them. I have a right. That's fucking business. Okay, serving someone a
Yeah.
notice of intent to sue is business. Okay, if I wanted to file, if this second I wanted to file a FOIL, right all of a sudden I wanted to file one, I can go right fucking now and do it. Okay, because I have a right. Now here's the thing that you guys don't know is this is business. Freedom of the press is business. So if I go in there and I don't give a shit if I don't need to file a FOIL or anything else.
I don't know if I will go and do that, though.
No, I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to rely on you to respect the oath that you took. I'm not. Because you're going to just fucking fall in line with all these other tyrants.
Daniel, flip it back to me and talk to me.
I can talk to whoever I want. Remember, I can talk to whoever I want.
I know, but I've been nothing but honest with you and decent
Yup,
with you.
and I've been nothing but honest and decent with you. But with him, it's a different story. He's violated my rights. You think I'm going to show him respect?
Okay, so it's already been made clear that the mayor made this unconstitutional order simply for the police chief's wife. So NY State Audits attempts to reach out to the district attorney to find out for what reason this conspiracy against his rights is going on. And like expected, he didn't respond. So he did a little digging into the mayor to find out what's going on with this guy. And it turns out that this mayor's done, to say the least, some shady things.
Car chase last spring involving Schenectady Mayor Gary McCarthy and a resident of the city launched a months-long investigation.
He's right on my please, I hope somebody can stop him. He's right behind me, he's pulling up. He's right in front of me. He's blocking me off, sir. Sir, it's a black truck. He's blocking me. I didn't do anything wrong. He came up right behind me on a street. He goes, pull over right now. I'm calling the cops. I said, I'm not pulling over. You're not a cop. He goes, I'm the mayor of Schenectady.
The mayor of Schenectady.
Please, why? I really want to know why there's no cops here right now.
Can you go inside, ma'am, or no?
No, I'm not getting out of my van.
You guys want to go?
Crazy. He's drunk. Why aren't the cops out here?
He's intoxicated?
She's intoxicated. Yes, please hurry. I can smell the alcohol from here.
Police reports released today reveal 4 out of 5 responding officers did not believe McCarthy to be drunk, although the 5th officer said he smelled alcohol and observed him to be acting out of character, at times even crying.
How you doing today?
Not too bad. How are you?
Good. How can we help you?
I have court.
You have court?
Yep.
Metal items in your pockets there?
I don't have anything metal on me. Just this.
Put that down. You want to put it in the box?
Yeah, I don't want to put it in the box. It'll break.
Thank you, sir. Yep. Carry it through. Walk you through. Come on through. Good.
Thank you. I need to be walked up? Why?
Because of the situation that was described to you earlier.
I'm not sure what was described to you earlier.
We'll walk up to court and you can check in up there.
Yes, sir. You have the time by any chance?
9:49.
9:49. Awesome. So I got time.
You have to go directly to the court.
Yes, I have to go where?
You said you have to go to court.
No, you said I have to go directly to the court.
Yeah, your business is court, and that's what they told us. When you come in here, you have to go.
That's what they told you?
Yes,
Who's
right.
they? I'm sorry, who's they?
The chief of police.
Chief of police has no right to tell me where I can and cannot go. And who are you again? Wager?
Wager, yeah.
What's your first name?
Wager.
No, what's your first name?
I'm giving you my first.
Okay, I can.
Foil.
I already have. I already have.
And you know my name. Okay. So where are we going?
Well, I'm going wherever I'm able to go, publicly accessible areas, unrestricted, without being harassed.
No problem.
So, Chief of Police is what you're telling me, who told you to violate my rights?
Is
that what you're saying?
Given that you're because of some pending investigation that I don't really know about. And
So do you have a judge's order saying that I cannot be in here?
I have a direct order.
Okay, so the chief is nobody.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, he doesn't have a
Listen,
right.
we're done talking.
Are we?
Do your business.
Are we done talking? So walk away.
No,
I'm not keeping you
I'm
from...
going to have to escort you, boss.
You
Let's
can
play this.
escort whoever you want, but it's not going to be me. I'm going to walk freely at my leisure. Hey, Chief.
Are you over there still?
Oh, yeah.
So he's allowed in the building, he's not allowed to record. And he's there for legitimate business purposes per the chief of police. He's allowed in the building, but there is nobody allowed to record in the building.
Okay.
That's the end of it. So he can go in the building, but he's not letting anyone recording in there.
Okay.
But he is allowed in the building.
All right.
Right, so you can relate that to him, and then say there'll be signs going up and everything else. You don't have to tell him all that, but long story short is, in the building, no recording.
All right, and if he refuses?
If he refuses, then he can be arrested.
Okay, perfect.
For the violating, for video recording.
Okay.
But he can record, they're basically going to be allowed to record up to the
security post?
And when it comes time, yes.
Okay.
Security. So what parts, but the fact that he's in the building, no recording, he's being taken up.
So if, would it just be trespassing? I don't know what law it is that, like.
Yeah, give me a couple seconds here. Let me make a couple calls. That's how it is. I think it would be trespassing. You can always trespassing for recording.
I don't know what the law is for not being able to record. I know there's like something that the court officers do, but I don't know what that is.
Yeah, so the workshop. I keep working on it. I'll call you right back.
Yep. Here's the paperwork.
Good job. You
Okay,
did great.
I have official word on everything that you're allowed to do. Do you understand?
Don't care because I know my rights.
Okay.
So, are we all set here? Oh,
so he's allowed to
if
be
you want to say something? Oh, you could tell me the incident number, please.
Okay, you're allowed to be anywhere you want in the building.
I don't want to
You
hear
cannot
that.
record in here anymore.
So, I can't record in here anymore.
No.
That's what you guys are saying?
I'm telling you, you can't record past that area right
Who
there.
said that to you, though? I'm just curious.
The chief of police.
The chief, Eric Clifford.
Yes.
The chief of police stated
Yes.
that I am not allowed to
You can
film
only record in City Hall up until the security entrance and then nowhere beyond.
So where's the statute for that?
Huh?
What federal statute? What written law? says that?
I'm just
no, I'm just
advising.
curious. I'm just curious.
Okay.
What law is that?
I'm going to find out soon. I just got word from the
so
chief.
you're just making up shit.
I'm not making up anything.
You're a clown.
Okay.
Please,
Are you done here then?
Do not rush me.
Are you
I'm
done here
talking,
then?
conducting business still.
Go.
Stop touching me. Keep walking. Stop touching me.
Keep walking.
I'm walking.
Keep walking.
I'm walking.
Keep walking.
I'm walking. You want to intimidate people?
Keep walking.
Go ahead, back up.
You're not walking at
back
all.
Up.
Nope.
Back up.
No, you back up. That's the entrance.
You're in my space.
Turn around.
You're in my space.
Your business
You're
is
in my
over.
space.
Turn around.
Back the fuck up.
Turn around.
Yo, get off me. Get the fuck off
Thank
me.
you. Go.
Back up.
Go.
Don't touch me, I'm telling you.
You don't make anyone
You're
nervous.
fucking,
Keep
I
going.
don't have to.
Okay,
it's because you got a gun and a badge, right?
Go.
You're a fucking criminal with a
Go.
badge.
Go.
You're setting a bad example for your fucking your teammates, man.
Okay. Go.
Fucking clown. Yeah, you see that, right? You guys see that for yourself. Violating my Fourth Amendment rights.
Okay. Keep going.
Violating my First Amendment rights.
going.
Violating my 14th Amendment right. Section 1. Tyrant.
Over 1 month later.
Good morning. How are you guys? I'm doing okay. Is Miss Marianne here by any chance? Miss Ali, Marianne Ali? Nice seeing you again. I have...
I'm sorry, am I being recorded?
Yes.
Oh.
Of course. Like as always, I'm always, filming when I come in, gathering content for my stories.
Sure.
Nothing new here.
What can I do for you?
So this is not what I needed, but I do need that. If you can be also kind, and this is a complaint
Okay.
that I wanted to redress my grievances.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
If you could also, do you guys give like stamped copies of that or like anything to me, or you just email me, or like how's that work?
I can make you a copy. I can certainly write on there.
Okay.
Received by me.
Okay.
Does that work for you?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Can you give me a couple more packets?
Sure.
Looks like I'm going to be needing quite a few because it says. Because I noticed on there, when you file the complaint, that particular one, it says you could check mark a box that says if you're followed or being harassed and stuff like that. So that's what's been going on to me. And if I'm still here, I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but I'm sure they'll come here as well and prove my point. So that's why I'm going to need a couple more. Because,
All right, I'll have you hold on to that because that is for your record.
Okay, awesome.
I will make a copy of this.
All right. You want who arrested? For doing what? For breaking what law? For what crime have I committed?
You're banging on it.
Knocking? Sorry, it got disconnected, not broken. What'd you say? Stop walking? No, don't restrict me. Am I being detained or something? All right, for what?
Trespassing.
Trespass? Hold on, I'm trying to serve them my notice of intent to sue. Are you serious?
James, running back.
For what crime?
Make sure to get to the link in the description for NY State Audit to see the entirety of this video and many more. Subscribe if you haven't already. Much love to Long Island and Erie County fam for holding it down, going out there and continuing the pressure on the tyranny. Make sure to remember that we all have the right to redress. And if you choose to do so, please do so peacefully and with respect. And I'll see you on the next one.